In this tutorial, I will teach you how to monetize your game server, specifically Rust. So my name is Nelson, I am with TeamGames, and let me explain a little bit about TeamGames. We are a monetization platform. We make it easy to create and start monetizing your game. So by the end of this video, you will be able to create products, sell the product, be connected with either Stripe or PayPal, and players will be able to claim products in game. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a TeamGames account. Once you create a TeamGames account, you will be directed to the server setup page. What you're going to want to do then is click on Rust. Now we will enter our game server name. In this example, we will use my Rust server, and then just click next. All right, and then you can see that you have a whole bunch of information here on this page. So we can create products, we can create discounts, including sales and coupons. We can create test transactions or view current transactions that have already happened. We also have payment methods and many other things. But for right now, what we're going to focus on is this API key and this Oxide plugin. Our GitHub page has access to all of our plugins. So what we are going to do in this video is download this TeamGames plugin. It's called TeamGames.cs, and we're going to drag and drop this into our Oxide plugin folder. Before continuing, we'll make ourselves admin. Making ourselves admin will allow us to set our API key in the game. So to make ourselves admin, we will go to Steam Apps, Common, Rust Dedicated, and then after that, we're going to click on Server, My Server Identity, CFG, and here you're going to see a users.cfg file. So you can open this up with your favorite text editor. That might be Notepad or that might be Visual Studio Code. In this example, we're going to use Visual Studio Code. So what you're going to want to do is make yourself an admin. It's very simple. We're going to edit this configuration file and add this line into it. Owner ID. Replace this with your Steam ID, and replace this with the in-game name that you are using in Rust. Once that's done, we're going to head back into this Rust dedicated folder. We're going to click on Oxide. We're going to click on Plugins. Now make sure you drag and drop the TeamGames.cs file into this folder, and that's going to make all of the commands work inside of the game. Now let's proceed to start the dedicated server, and then we'll do a little bit of testing to make sure that everything is working fine. Now before we open Rust, let's copy this API key. Let's try to connect to our dedicated server. In this last step, what we're going to do is set up our API key. Press T, press /tg.secret space, and paste your API key. Now let's do a little bit of testing. Before setting up a test transaction, we'll create a product. So for this, we'll create a new category. We'll name it My Products. And now we'll create a new product. We'll type fun guitar and awesome guitar for the product name. We'll set it for $5. And let's choose the category we just created. Now let's create a transaction for testing purposes. Here you're going to want to place the Steam ID, the product you want to give them. In our case, it's an awesome guitar. How much of this product you want to give them? Let's do 2. And a delivery status. In our case, we're waiting on the user to claim the product. Now we're going to test claiming this awesome guitar. So let's press T/tg.claim and press enter. So as you can see, we have 2 awesome guitars, just the way we set it on our transactions. Don't forget to go into the payment methods and add your payment of choice. That can be PayPal or Stripe. And if you have any questions, be sure to check us out on our Discord channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.